here's the scary truth. You have no idea what's actually being said on 90% of your business calls. That important prospect from last week, you're just guessing what they said. We're going to build a system that is able to capture every call that comes in and goes out, so you're able to easily track the transcripts and get proper summaries of every call that you receive. And we're going to do this through the integration of VAPI with Google Sheets, which is natively integrated now. So that means you don't have to use external applications like Anyten or Make.com, making it very easy to set up this. So no more wondering into what happened. Now you can get instant visibility of how the calls are going. And hey, if we haven't met yet, I am Mo from Center AI, and we build voice AI agents for small to medium-sized businesses. And if you want to see how voice AI technology could actually look into your own business, then I do invite you for a free consultation. I leave links in the description below. Note that we only offer 5 slots per video, so if you're interested, get yours soon. And with that said, let's jump right into it. To give you an idea of what we're gonna build, we're gonna be building a call analysis sheet in which we will be recording the data about the people calling. So in this case, for example, Bob just called and this is their phone number and they booked at this specific time. Now, the beautiful thing is that we're able to achieve this all within VAPI without really needing anything like Make.com or Anyten. I would caution though that the data that you can log into Google Sheets or Airtable, well, in this case, it's actually specifically to Google Sheet, given that it's an integration that is native in VAPI now. But what you will be able to report is the data that the AI assistant itself generated. Or gathered. So that means that in this agent specifically, where let's picture that we are an AC company and we want to pretty much collect the name, phone number, and the appointment time that they want us to meet them. That is, let's say, data that has been collected in the call. And that is what we can pretty much put into the Google Sheet. So that is really important to understand. So that means that if we have, for example, the call summary or call, transcripts and so on, that is a different topic, and that would need us to use something like Anyten or a webhook where we can kind of like catch this information. All right, with that said, I'll show you how to integrate it. It's actually quite easy and it should be quick. So what we will need to do first of all is to connect our Google Sheet into VAPI. And what we do is that we scroll all the way down until we find the section called Tool Providers. In Tool Providers, what you need to do is select Google Sheet and just, connect through it. It will open a pop-up. It will be very easy. I mean, like any Google connection that you ever made. Now, important aspect here is creating the tool. Now you have to imagine that when you set a voice agent here, specifically in the assistant section, what you will do is you will, write a prompt. So you give the instructions to this agent, but the agent itself is not able to make tasks. Like, it's not able to really go in Google Sheets and log in the data. You need to give it the tools so that it is able to do that. And that's what we're gonna do here. So we will build a tool so that our agent, once it's connected to this tool, is able to perform the actions that we want it to perform. So in this case, collect this information right here. Now, I already created the tool. So what you need to do is just go here, Google Sheets, and it will create the tool for you. Now, it will not have I changed the name just to make it cleaner and more understandable when I write the prompt what it is. So I'll just leave it here. And what you can do is just copy paste it from me. I will be providing a document where I share the name, description, and the prompt later. So you can just if you want to try it, copy paste it. What you will need to do yourself is add the spreadsheet ID, and that is different to anyone. And the way that you get to this specific, let's say, data here is that you need to go into the URL of the, say, Google Sheet that you're going to work with, and you will see this /edit here. You need what is before it. So it's for me, it's finishing in JO. I need this all the way until this other slash here. or dash. Yeah, I'm confused now. Anyways, you will need to copy that, and that is our ID, if that makes sense. So you copy that from your link and you paste it here in the spreadsheet ID. Now, the range, that is pretty much where you want the agent to work. I mean, in my case, I selected sheet 1, so you can do that. Or if you want to be more specific, you can say sheet 1, A, B, C. I think that would have also worked. You can see it here, sheet 1, A to Z. Yeah, up to you how you want to do it. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so what we'll do now is just save. And then we have the tool already set up. So what we will need to do now, once we have the tool, is that we need to build the agent, and the classic, let's say, specifics in the agent that I like to go for are 4.1. Agent speaks first. We just set a first message from me. It's like, hello, this is Ava from Cold Breeze HVAC, company that I just made up. We put the prompt. I made a very simple prompt of a agent that pretty much, once someone calls, we understand when they want us. So like there is a whole like check calendar feature. And by the way, like this is all in the previous video. So if you go there and you want to, if you want to see how to build that calendar feature, I'll invite you to check the previous video where we discussed this specifically. What's important for us is pretty much that we say that immediately after confirming, so after confirming the appointment, we use the log appointment details, which is the tool that we just built, to save customer name, phone number, and the confirmed appointment time to the spreadsheet. So that is where it's pretty much collecting this information and then connecting to the Google Sheet that we set up here, and the customer name, phone number, and appointment, and it just places the information here. Amazing. Yeah, and I think now we can go in the tools section, and you need to make sure that you have selected your tool. I have a few other tools because that's what we had before, but you pretty much need to select that. And then you're ready to go pretty much. So I think we can try to talk to Assistant. I can show you how it handles it.
Hello, this is Eva from Cold Breeze HVAC.
Hey.
Hi there. I understand you need your AC repaired. What day would work for you to schedule a service visit?
Are you guys available on Friday?
Yes, we do have availability on Friday. I can offer you these 3 kind of slots for a service visit: 11 a.m., 1 p.m., 5 p.m.
I think
any of these work for you?
Yeah, like 11 a.m. would actually work really well.
Great, I'll reserve the 11 a.m. slot for you on Friday. Could I please have your full name and phone number to complete your booking?
Sure. My name is Mo, and my phone number is 123456789.
Great. I've got you booked for an AC repair service on Friday at 11 a.m. I'm just going to quickly say your appointment details, and then your appointment is all set for Friday at 11 a.m.
Yeah, as you can see, it logged everything here, got my name, got my phone number, and the appointment time. And you can also see that like when it executes each tool. I mean, these are the tools from the calendar feature that we, again, did in the previous video. But here you can see the log appointment details that we just set up. And you can see how it pretty much, worked through that. So that is quite interesting to see. And that is a quick overview of how you can use the Google Sheet feature that is now already integrated into VAPI. So it makes it really easy if you want to collect information that is, let's say, happening during the call. I mean, you can even go beyond that, like anything that has been asked, or just to qualify, let's say, a prospect, like any information that is generated during the call, it's easily transferred into the Google Sheets directly through here. Amazing. If you have any questions or just wanna, chat, I do have a 5 slots free consultation, and you can find the link in the first. You can find the link in the description. It's the first link. And I thank you so much for spending the time here, and I see you in the next video.